Cinnabon, Key Franchise Information. Series, Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises, Goals, Mission, and Vision of Cinnabon. Cinnabon is one of the most iconic bakery brands in the world, famous for its warm, gooey cinnamon rolls and sweet treats. The company was founded in 1985 by Rich and Greg Koman in Seattle, Washington. Their goal was to create the world's greatest cinnamon roll, and they did. Cinnabon earns money through in-store sales, co-branded locations, mall kiosks, airport bakeries, and retail products sold in grocery stores. Its mission is to provide guests with a moment of indulgence and joy through irresistible baked goods. The brand's vision is to expand globally while maintaining quality, consistency, and emotional connection with customers. Cinnabon is part of Focus Brands, giving franchisees access to powerful support systems and shared resources. Are you wondering if a Cinnabon franchise is right for you? In this video, we'll give you key information about Cinnabon, from the brand's mission and vision, through its business model, to the support it offers to franchisees. This will help you make an informed decision about investing. 1. How does a Cinnabon franchise work? Learn about the business model. Key information. Franchise model. Cinnabon operates on a single unit and multi-unit franchise system. Franchisees run their own bakeries under the brand, following strict standards for recipes, service, and store design. Fee structure. Franchisees pay an initial fee of $3,500, plus 6% royalty and 2.5% marketing fees based on gross revenue. Support from Cinnabon. Franchisees receive help with site selection, lease negotiation, construction, training, and marketing. The brand provides over 150 hours of initial training, 10 days of hands-on bakery experience, and ongoing support from franchise business consultants.
Anecdote: one of the first franchisees in Atlanta opened inside a busy mall, and the aroma alone drew in so many customers that mall security had to redirect foot traffic.
2. Entry costs for Cinnabon. How much does it cost and what earnings can you achieve? Key information. Initial costs. Total investment ranges from $24,650 to $67,500 depending on location and format. This includes franchise fee, leasehold improvements, equipment and signage, POS systems and tech setup, inventory and uniforms, permits, licenses, and legal fees, pre-opening payroll and training. Additional funds for 3 months of operations. Potential earnings. Average annual revenue per location is from $49,100 to $68,167. With profit margins from 12% to 18%, franchisees can expect net earnings from $509.20 to $122,703 annually.
Anecdote: one Cinnabon in Texas hit $700,000 in sales in its first year, thanks to a location near a college campus and a viral TikTok video featuring their mini rolls.
3. Step-by-step. How to register a Cinnabon franchise and how long does it take? Key information. Registration process. Submit an application, complete a discovery call, attend interviews, review the franchise disclosure document, FDD, and sign the agreement. Documentation. You'll need a net worth of $3,000 and liquid assets of $12,000. Background checks, financial statements, and business plans are also required. Duration. The full process takes from 6 to 12 months, including approval, training, construction, and launch.
Anecdote: during Discovery Day, one applicant was so impressed by the Macara cinnamon demo that they signed their agreement before dessert, calling it the sweetest deal I've ever made.
4. Taxes and fees in Cinnabon. What do you need to know before you start? Key information. Income tax. Federal and state income taxes range from 21% to 35% of annual gross profit. Property taxes. These apply only to owned real estate and range from 1% to 2% of property value annually. Leased properties are not subject to this tax. State and local taxes include sales tax, from 4% to 10%, use tax, and local business fees such as health permits, signage licenses, and food handling certifications. Licensing fees. These cover food service permits and business licenses. They average 0.5% of annual gross revenue. Training costs are not included here. Marketing fees. Cinnabon charges 2.5% of gross revenue for national and regional advertising. This includes digital campaigns, seasonal promotions, and brand partnerships.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Florida used their local marketing budget to sponsor a Sweet Start Sunday event, boosting weekend traffic by 39%.
5. Hiring employees in Cinnabon. How many do you need and what are the training costs? Key information. Number of employees. A typical Cinnabon location needs from 10 to 20 employees, including bakers, cashiers, prep staff, shift leads, and managers. Training costs. Initial training costs range from $3,600 to $5,700, depending on travel, lodging, and wages. Ongoing training is provided through in-person sessions and digital modules. Training systems. Franchisees and managers complete a multi-week onboarding program. Crew members use Cinnabon's e-learning platform and receive hands-on coaching from certified trainers.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Ohio trained their entire team using Cinnabon University and won Best Guest Experience in their region just 3 months after opening.
Cinnabon. Operational costs. What expenses will you face daily? Key information, monthly, ingredients and resources. $12,000 to $2,000 depending on menu volume and supplier contracts. Salaries and benefits. $15,000 to $25,000 including wages, insurance and bonuses. Rent and utilities. $3,500 to $8,000 depending on location and lease terms. Insurance for premises. $1,250 to $6,800 covering property, liability and workers' comp. Maintenance and utility. $1,000 to $3,000 for repairs, cleaning and upkeep. Licensing and marketing fees. $3,000 to $6,000 based on gross revenue. Total of all taxes. Around $2,500 to $5,000 per month, including sales, property taxes, state and local taxes. Other 25%. Miscellaneous costs like legal, accounting, income tax.
Anecdote. One Cinnabon in California sold over 9,500 rolls in a single weekend, forcing the team to restock frosting and cinnamon twice in 48 hours.
Loving the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like and share your thoughts in the comments. Training and support. How does Cinnabon help its franchisees? Key information. Initial training. Cinnabon provides over 150 hours of training, including 10 days of hands-on experience in a certified bakery. Franchisees learn everything from dough prep and baking to customer service and inventory control, operational support. Franchise business consultants offer ongoing support with operations, marketing, and performance tracking. Franchisees also receive help with grand opening planning and local outreach. E-learning platform. Cinnabon offers a digital training system with interactive modules, videos, and quizzes. It's updated regularly to reflect new menu items and procedures. Marketing. Franchisees benefit from national campaigns, seasonal rollouts, and local store marketing kits. Cinnabon also provides branded assets, social media templates, and analytics tools to track campaign performance.
Anecdote: one franchisee in Michigan trained their entire team using Cinnabon University and won Best Operational Launch in their region just 2 months after opening.
T8. Franchise inspections in Cinnabon. What are the requirements and what to expect? Key information. External inspections. Local health departments conduct food safety and sanitation checks every 6 to 12 months. These include temperature logs, hygiene practices, allergen labeling, and food storage compliance. Internal inspections. Cinnabon Corporate performs quarterly audits focused on cleanliness, service speed, food quality, and brand consistency. Surprise visits may occur during promotional launches or peak seasons. Frequency. Internal inspections are scheduled every 3 months. Franchisees receive detailed feedback and action plans to improve performance and maintain brand standards.
Anecdote: a Cinnabon location in Arizona passed a surprise inspection with a perfect score, earning a Golden Swirl Award and a feature in the company newsletter.
Profitability of Cinnabon. Is it really a profitable business? Key information. Profitability. Cinnabon franchisees earn an average annual revenue from $49,000 to $681,687. With profit margins from 12% to 18%, net earnings typically range from $5,920 to $122,703 per year. ROI. Return on investment ranges from 12% to 18%. Most franchisees recover their initial investment within 12 to 18 months depending on location, staffing, and operational efficiency. Success factors. Key drivers include strong brand loyalty, high-margin products, impulse purchases, and strategic placement in malls, airports, and travel hubs. Locations with high foot traffic and strong local marketing tend to perform best.
Anecdote: one franchisee in Florida broke even in just 14 months, thanks to a location near a cruise terminal and a loyalty app campaign that boosted repeat visits.
10. Cinnabon in the market. How is the brand doing today? Key information. Market position. Cinnabon operates over 2,156 locations worldwide, including full bakeries, express units, and co-branded formats. It's a top-tier snack and dessert brand with strong mall and airport presence. Growth and expansion. Cinnabon is expanding through non-traditional venues like convenience stores, theme parks, and travel centers. In 2025, the brand added 42 new U.S. locations and launched a loyalty app with over 2.3 million users. Challenges. Rising ingredient costs, labor shortages, and competition from bakery cafes like Krispy Kreme, Wetzel's Pretzels, and local dessert shops have impacted margins. Cinnabon responds with seasonal innovation, tech upgrades, and targeted promotions. Forecast. Analysts expect continued growth through co-branded formats, retail licensing, and international expansion. Cinnabon's retail strategy includes grocery partnerships and ingredient licensing, with projected market growth from $6.3 billion in 2025 to $899 billion by 2032, CAGR 5.2%.
Anecdote: in 2025, Cinnabon launched its first theme park kiosk in Orlando and sold out of classic rolls by 2 p.m. on opening day.
11. Pros and cons of a Cinnabon franchise. What you need to know before deciding. Key information. Pros. A. Strong brand recognition and loyal customer base. P. Flexible formats and high traffic location strategy. T. Comprehensive training and support. Quick break-even timeline. Cons. A. High initial investment. Ongoing royalty and marketing fees. C. Limited menu flexibility. D. Competitive dessert market.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Nevada said, Cinnabon gives you the aroma, the impulse buys, and the brand power. You just need to bring the consistency.
12. How to choose a profitable franchise and avoid mistakes. Key information. Market research. Study local demographics, foot traffic, and competitor density. Look for underserved areas or resale opportunities. Financial assessment. Review startup costs, expected ROI, and monthly cash flow. Consult with a franchise accountant or advisor. Consultations with experts. Talk to current Cinnabon owners, attend Discovery Day, and read the franchise disclosure document, FDD, carefully. Support evaluation. Compare Cinnabon's training, tech, and marketing support with other dessert brands. Franchise agreement analysis. Check for renewal terms, territory rights, exit clauses, and resale conditions.
Anecdote. One franchisee almost signed with a frozen yogurt brand until they saw Cinnabon's impulse purchase margins and realized warm desserts were the real goldmine.
Conclusion. Who is the Cinnabon franchise for, and is it worth investing? Cinnabon is ideal for entrepreneurs who love indulgent food, high-traffic retail, and a proven business model. With average annual revenues from $49,000 to $68,187 and profit margins from 12% to 18%, it offers strong returns for those willing to manage operations hands-on. Most franchisees recover their investment within 12 to 18 months, making it one of the fastest payback models in the snack and dessert category. However, it's not for everyone. The initial investment ranges from $24,650 to $67,500, and Cinnabon enforces strict brand standards. Franchisees must follow exact procedures, recipes, and layouts. Flexibility is limited in terms of menu customization, and success depends on location, staffing, and execution. Cinnabon is best suited for multi-unit investors, experienced operators, and those with a passion for hospitality and impulse-driven retail. If you're ready to lead a team, deliver craveable cinnamon rolls, and build a loyal customer base, this franchise might be your perfect match. Just be sure to do your homework, talk to current owners, and understand the commitment before jumping in. Anecdote. In 2025, a Cinnabon in New Jersey broke the brand's single-day sales record, serving over 5,200 rolls and 400 gallons of frosting in 24 hours. Bibliography. Franchise Times. Franchise Business Review. Franchise World. Franchising for Dummies. In the next episode of Franchise Business, the Guide to Franchises. Krispy Kreme. Is Krispy Kreme a good choice for you? With our guide, you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision. Good luck on your franchise adventure. Thank you for watching. If you like the subject matter of this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I wish you a day full of success.